Who? What Craig at? Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and prepare to get started on this lock style. So, I've been locked since 2018, 19, 21, 22, 23. Okay, so this year we coming up on 5 years of me being locked, and I have never did any type of style or protective style or anything like that over my locks. I have like 5 Paxies, which is the faux locks. And this is by Expression, and I actually bought this hair a long time ago because I was gonna try like another type of lock style over my locks. I tried to do like jumbo box braids with this type of hair, and it just didn't work out. So I just been having no hair in the closet for months. So when I decided to do this lock style, you know, the little faux locks or whatever over my locks, I was like, I could just use this hair that I already got. And the Marley hair that I got to wrap around the base is just this pre-twist, pre-fluff braiding hair. It's pop and twist, that's what it's called, but it's basically Marley hair, and it's 16 inches, and I think it's like 30 pieces in each pack, so I think I have enough of this as well. So yeah, I guess that's all that I gotta tell y'all before I get started. Oh, and I did go ahead and retwist my hair because I do want a neater look, and some of my locks are like kind of skinny and small, so I may combine a few. Like, y'all see how skinny that is, like at the base and stuff, so I may combine like a few of these together. I don't know, we'll see when we get. I am back, y'all. I got my head halfway done and everything is going good, and they are beautiful. I'm loving them. But the only complaint I got about them is, if y'all can see, this is the end of the faux lock, and this is the top, like how my lock is like thick once it's wrapped. So it's not really consistent. But the thing about faux locks, they don't have to be as neat or as consistent as like box braids or something like that, and they still look good. They look really, really good in my opinion, really good. Now I did double a lot of them with 2 locks instead of 1, and I'm using one of these and 2 pieces of this Marley hair for 1 lock. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm doing it, and it's real simple. It's real easy, y'all, real easy. To me, this is as easy as doing a retwist on my locks. It's that easy. So let me take this one, and I'm gonna just use 1 right here, and I'm just separating the end. You see how they are like this? I'm just pulling it apart, and I just take it and put it at the top like this. Then I'm just gonna wrap it. I kind of overlap it a little bit at the base, just so that we get a strong base. And these are not heavy at all, y'all. Not at all. They so light, it don't even feel like I have any extra hair added. And I did, in order to keep my hair as light as possible. Sorry if I keep saying y'all, that's just how I talk. In order to keep the locks as light as possible, I did do a apple cider vinegar detox on my real locks before I did this, just to get some of that dirt and some of that weight out of my real lock, because I want it to be as light as possible. And y'all know real locks can get kind of heavy. So y'all see I'm almost done wrapping it, and I have a lot of my real lock left. And this is just 1 piece so far. Okay, and I have this much left of the Marley hair, so I'm going to go ahead and add a 2nd piece of the Marley hair. I'm just going to add that in, wrap it around. And while I have a little bit left of my real lock, that much left, I just add the faux lock. I take it, I put it there in between the Marley hair and the lock. I just tuck this right in between there and wrap around it. Just gotta pull that apart. I've been at this, y'all, for like an hour and a half. Well, dang, this front piece is like it's gonna take 3. I hate to use a whole nother piece for this little bit of lock that's left, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Or I wonder if I can just unwrap it. I swear, y'all, the rest of it only took 2 pieces, but I think because the front of my hair is longer. I mean, not the front, but the sides are kind of long. It's taking a lot of wrapping. So let me spread this out just a little bit. Cause I don't want to use no whole another piece of Marley hair to cover that little bit of lock. Yeah, we still gonna have to do it, cause y'all see that peeking through. Yeah, I just gotta do what I gotta do. Now I'm gonna wrap it upwards since I'm at the end of my lock. And some people tie a knot at the end, but I haven't been doing it. I just been wrapping it back up and then rubbing it in between my hands to get the hairs to mesh together and create, like, you know, something secure so that it'll hold my lock, my real hair. Okay, so I'm wrapping it back up, and then I'm just gonna do like that. And it's gonna, like, these hairs are synthetic fiber, so it's easy to tangle them up, and doing that, and that's just gonna tangle them all together and to hold it in place. So yeah, that's what it's looking like. I'm gonna do this side. Yeah, my hair's so thick, it look like I got a whole lot left, but I don't have much left. Hopefully I be done soon, y'all. I just got off work at 6 o'clock. I am tired. I'm ready to get this done. And I'm probably gonna take a break in a minute and eat me something because I'm hungry. I really want to keep going to get it done, but I'm hungry. I'm not gonna do that to myself. So I'm gonna probably take a break in a second and go get something to eat. But I'm gonna speed this up and let y'all, I guess, just watch me do this.
I wanna get with you, yeah. I wanna get them out of the picture, yeah. I'm in my vision, yeah. You can spot the difference, yeah. Me, I'm never acting shady. You will always be my baby. You be my baby, yeah.
Whip, body, grip, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no? All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay, just wanted you to show me. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady, you ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. Your action, I need more than satisfaction. Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, can't post it. How that works? But you don't get back that shit up. Won't you say my, say my?
Oh, what Craig at?
She happy now she got hair. Can't feel better now.
What you gonna get me? Okay, I am done, y'all. Oh my God, I love them. Y'all see them edges popping, period. And this is, let me step back a little bit so I can show y'all. Don't mind the towel rack and stuff like that. This is my real bathroom that I live in. So let me step back so y'all can see. I hope y'all can see how long they are. I'm so short. Let me push y'all down a little bit. There we go. Okay. This is how long they are. I hope y'all can see because that blonde probably kind of blended in a little bit with my pants. But I love them, y'all. Now, I know I said when I was halfway through with them, like the little halfway point, I told y'all that they wasn't really that heavy. Now that I'm done with my whole head, they're a little bit heavy, a tad bit. Not too heavy, but you know, it's a little bit heavier than my actual hair. But I can deal with it for like 2 weeks. It'll be okay. But it's not something, this isn't something that I would do all the time over my locks because they do have a little bit of weight and I don't want to damage my locks at all. I love my hair. I just wanted like a little switch up, you know, something different. This is how they looking, y'all. I love them. So pretty. So pretty. And they're not hard at all. And I would highly suggest if y'all want some faux locks, soft locks, butterfly locks, do them yourself. Cause I ain't trying to knock nobody hustle and take no money out of nobody's pocket, but I seen girls charging like $200, $300, $400, $500 for these, and it's not that hard to do them yourself. I just I'm not paying nobody that amount of money for something that's so simple. Like, since I've done it, I know how simple it is. It's not hard at all. Now, I ain't trying to knock nobody hustle at all. Because there's people who prefer to, you know, go and chill and have somebody else do the work. That's fine. But, I mean, if you want to save a little coin, then I suggest doing it yourself. Just take a day where you don't have nothing to do and get to it. It don't even take long. It don't take long at all. I think it took me like 4 hours altogether. And I didn't take no breaks. I just did it like straight, you know. So, yes, I love them, y'all. I love them. I love them. I love them. I feel so, I don't know how I feel. I just feel different. I ain't had no hair like past my butt in so long, y'all, in years. Like I said, I done had my locks for coming up on 5 years. So yeah, I ain't had no hair this long in years. So it got me feeling like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you see me. You see me. You see me. So yeah, that is it, y'all. If y'all feeling this style, make sure y'all give me a like and leave me a comment down below and let me know how y'all feel about it, and let me know if y'all gonna try this over y'all locks. I want to know. And I guess I will see y'all on the next video.